And we now move to the final presentation of this e-learning and education category. And this is Nayana Tarana. Sorry, Nana Tarana. Earlier also I pronounced incorrectly, I guess. This is Nana Tarana from Nana Tarana Private Limited.
Hi, I'm Manu Charasguma. I did my A-levels this year and I work for Nanatarana now. So, what is Nanatarana? Nanatarana is an educational platform where you can learn on activity-based. It's like activities. You do the activities and you learn by the activities. So, let's go on to the presentation. Are you a student? You may have children who are still doing their studies. So basically, the problem we have with the current educational system is that most of our students are fed up with the current education system. Why should you use Nanatarana? It's for students and teachers. It covers all A-levels, O-levels, grade 5 scholarship examinations, and we give you all online MCQs. You can do the MCQs online, you can get the answers online, and then after you'll be able to get an explanation online as to why it is the answer, how to do the calculation, and everything, basically everything. We have many activities, organic transformations for maths, chemistry students, uh, other activities for grade 1 students, grade 5 scholarship examination students, you name it, we have it all. So this is for the first time in the world, we have made a platform to do organic transformations online. So the other problem we have in the school education system, we do not have the time to do the practicals online. We saw that in iChemist, if I pronounce it right. We have provided a platform to do the practicals online, as in activity based. It's not a video, it's an activity. You can do all your practicals online as an activity, and you can learn from it. You can get on to the next level of education through Nanatarana. So, you may ask me the question, what if I'm a teacher? What will I get through Nanatarana? You can create a forum in Nanatarana. You can express your ideas, as in like a teacher can go on and put an idea. The students can comment on it. A student can chat with a teacher online, ask his problems. And a teacher can do many more. As in like, if you all want a teacher to do a question on a paper on a class, that will consume time. The teacher can assign the paper to the student to do online in a certain amount of time, and the student can do it on any time he wants. As in like, he doesn't have to go for a paper class separately. So what else? Teacher can create a group, share tutor materials, share homework, ask students to do homework, like assign homework after class. So the teacher can basically keep in touch with the student even after class, even after school. So what's more? What's more in Nanatarana? Okay, so I think I have a problem with the slide. So what is more in Nanatarana? If you're a parent, you'll want the progress. You want to check the progress of a student, of your child. So we at Nanatarana, we have created a progress tracker. You can track the progress of a child from home. So what else? If I did my A-levels this year, so if I did a paper last April, I won't be remembering the questions that I got wrong after like in May. So even the student can track his progress, and the student can know what the questions he got wrong. The student can know what he got wrong, and thereby he can like understand what he lacks in. So he can, so basically he can track that progress and basically study that part and get the next time you do the same paper, you'll be taking that question right. So what else? We have rankings. We have more than 20,000 users, 5,000 questions, and according to the activities and the questions you do on Nanatarana, we'll be giving you all a rank. So with the rank, you'll be given a district rank, first in Sri Lanka. So you'll always want to be on top. That is why we have created Nanatarana, to be on top. Nanatarana, it's futuristic learning. Futuristic learning is with us. Join us. Go to our Facebook page, go to our website, check it out. You'll see what's new on Nanatarana. It's not just e-learning, it's activity-based e-learning. Join with us. You'll find out who you are and find out what you can do with Nanatarana. Thank you.